Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In previous lecture, we have studied about the algae. In the plant kingdom, we have studied about the general features and reproduction in the algae. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the classification of algae. Means like the green algae, brown algae and red algae. So here the classification of algae. The algae are classified into the three categories. One is the chlorophyceae, second one is the phaeophyceae, and third one is the rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, as its name clear, chloro means green. So these are the green algae. Why green? Because they have the chloroplast, and in chloroplast they have the chlorophylls molecules A and B. Clear? These algae are mostly the multicellular, sometimes the unicellular, but they live in the colony. These are the filamentous in shape, and the most important thing, the shape of the chloroplast. It is varied. In few algae, it may be discoidal. In few, it is plate-like. In few, it is cup-shaped or spiral. Or in few, the ribbon-shaped chloroplast are present in the algae. If we talk about, because they are the chlorophyllous in nature, they have the chlorophylls, so they are able to do the photosynthesis. And the storage body of the algae is called the pyrenoids. Clear? And these pyrenoids contains the proteins and as well as these proteins are the containing nutritive product in the algae beside the starch. While the some algae store the food in form of oil droplets. Clear? Mostly the green algae have the cell wall that is made up of the inner layer of cellulose and the outer layer of the pectose. This is the most important question. The inner layer of the cell wall is formed by the cellulose, while the outer layer is formed by the pectose. If we talk about the reproduction, mostly the vegetative reproduction takes place by the fragmentation, while we talk about the asexual reproduction by the motile zoospore that are formed in the zoosporangium. The sexual reproduction may be isogamous, may be ensogamous, or may be oogamous. I have already told you about the isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous. Iso means shape and size of the gametes are same. Aniso, the shape of the gamete is same, but size is the different. And oogamous, shape and size are the different of the both gamete, male and female. The example is the Volvox, Eurothrix, Chlamydomonas, Cara, and Spirogyra. The second one is the category of the class of the algae are the Phaeophyceae. These are also called the brown algae. Why the brown algae? Because they have the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids, and also the xanthophylls. And the color is varies. That is depend on the quantity of xanthophyll and the fucoerythrin. It may be olive green and the various shades of the green to the brown. So these are different in colors here. These are mostly found in the marine habitat. It means they are found in the oceanic water. These are simple branch structure and few are the slightly in branched forms, and few of them reaches to the height of 100 meters. It not in the length. Listen, it spread over the surface of the water. Is it clear? So it can form the 100 meters of the line. As I have already told you, they possess the chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids, and also the xanthophylls. So due to the presence of xanthophylls and fucoxanthin, the colors of the brown algae are olive green to the brown in color. It is various in shaded. Clear? If we talk about the storage of food in form of the carbohydrates, the most important question, in form of laminin and or mannitol. I'm again repeating, the reserve food material is a complex carbohydrate, laminin or the mannitol. Mostly the cell wall is the cellulose, formed by the cellulose, sometimes covered by the gelatinous coating. It means the gelatin coat is covered over the cellulose, and it is called the algin. This is also the main important question for the NEET point of view. Clear? Now, the algae, where they lives, they attached with the substratum by a structure that is called the hold fast. Is it clear? They attached with the substratum by the hold fast, and it have also the stalk, the stipe and the leaf-like photosynthetic organ that is called the frond. Now, same the vegetative production like the chlorophysis algae, it means by the fragmentation. But if we talk about the asexual reproduction, mostly by the zoospores that are the biflagellate. It means they have the two flagella. Clear? But here the flagella are unequal in size. Clear? And laterally attached. पीछे की साइड से वो अटैच होते हैं. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ये कोई भी हो सकता है, एनिसोगेमस, oogamous और आइसोगेमस. बट वो water is needed for the fertilization. The example is the Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum and Fucus. Now, the third one is the Rhodophyceae. Rhodo means the red. Is it clear? It means here the algae color is the red. Why? The presence of the pigment or phycoerythrin. Due to the presence of this pigment, these algae having the red color. Mostly these are found in the oceans or saline water, and especially in the warmer areas. It means where the temperature is relatively high. you can see here. Clear? And these are also present in the well lighted area. It means where the algae get the or trap the more light. It helps in the photosynthesis. The red thalli of the most of the red algae are the multicellular. The food is stored in the form of Floridian starch, and it is same like the amylopectin and glycogen in the structure. It means the reserve food material, that is the Floridian starch, it is similar to the amylopectin and also the glycogen. In animals, you will studied or you will study in the class in the digestion chapter that liver converts the glucose into the glycogen. The excess glucose are converted into the glycogen in presence of insulin hormone. I hope now you are clear. If we talk about the reproduction, the same vegetative reproduction takes place by the fragmentation. Asexual reproduction takes place by the non-motile spores. Please be careful. We have talked about the asexual reproduction in the Phaeophyceae and the Chlorophyceae. They having the zoospores. While in case of asexual reproduction, these are the non-motile spores. Zoospores are the motile spores. But in case of Rhodophyceae, the asexual reproduction takes place by the non-motile spores. But if we talk about the sexual reproduction, it is also by the non-motile gametes, and these are the oogamous type. Oogamous type means the female gamete is the round in shape, that is called the egg, while the male gamete is shorter than the female. And they come to the new one after the fertilization. The example of the Rhodophyceae is the Polysiponia, Porphyra, Gracilaria and Ziladium. Now I am again repeating. We have studied the classification of the algae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae is the green. They have the pigment A and B. Chlorophyceae that are the green in color. The food material is stored in the pyrenetes. If we talk about the Phaeophyceae, they have the brown in color and having the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and xanthophylls. If we talk about the Rhodophyceae, these are red in color. Mostly these are found in the warmer areas. They having the phycoerythrin, that's why its color is the red. Vegetative reproduction takes place by the fragmentation, while asexual reproduction takes place by the non-motile spores, while sexual reproduction by the oogamous type, where the two non-motile gametes are fused with each other, and after the fertilization or post-fertilization development, they convert into the new one. Tomorrow we will study about the bryophytes, the another subkingdom of the plantae. Thank you, class.